These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 6 quarts of 020 synthetic oil filter, and a can of MOA engine oil treatment. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 extension, a drain plug wrench, cup type oil filter wrench, small screwdriver, funnel, and my drain box. Okay, first open up the oil filler cap. Putting on my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to open up the drain plug. It's on the back side of the engine. Putting back my drain plug. Tightening up the plug. Now I'm going to be removing the oil filter. It's right here. Cleaning this guy up. So I'm going to be replacing this O-ring. Always replace the O-ring. There's an O-ring that comes with the filter. Filling this guy up with some oil. Putting this filter on. Lubricating the O-ring. Cleaning this guy up. Putting the filter on. Adding in my engine oil. Adding in my can of MOA. Putting on my oil filler cap. Make sure it's really tight. You don't want it vibrating loose. Now we're going to start up the engine. Starting up the engine. Let it run for a little while. Yeah, that should be good enough. Now we can check the oil level. So I'm gonna be checking the oil level. The dipstick is right in the front of the engine. Just pull it out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull it out, and check the level. Perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you replace an engine oil and oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.